Welcome to ND Solutions YouTube channel. Today I thought of showing you how you can protect your YouTube account, I mean the Google account as well as the FB page. Actually, I'm going to show you how you can enable two-step verification on both accounts. Actually, in these days, because of those hackers, right? Just having a password is not enough. So if you guys can turn on two-step verification, it will add an extra security layer for your online accounts. So let's see how it is done. Right, so first just scroll down like this and you can click on this gray icon, the settings icon. Once you head on to the settings page, just scroll down for a little bit. Then you will see this option called accounts and backup, right? Just click on it. Then just click on this manage account option. Then you will see the accounts that are available on your device, right? Then just click on your Google account. Then just click on this Google account option and you will be redirected to your Google account management page, right? Just scroll down. I'm sorry. Then you will see this security and sign in option. Just click on it. And once you scroll down, you will see the option called two-step verification. Let's click on that. Yeah, once it is loaded, then these are the second steps, right? You will see you can add the pass keys and security keys. You can have a Google prompt and you can have a code in the authenticator app also. Also, you can add a phone number, right? Then what you gotta do is just click on this option called turn on two-step verification. Click on that. There's a message saying, right, turning on two-step verification, and you will see this. You are now protected with two-step verification, right? Now these two options are available, right? Google prompt and phone number. Those are turned on, right? You click on done. And for more information, if I go to this phone number option, right? I mean, you can see a phone number is added here. You can also add the second phone number also, right? If you don't have any phone number in this section, you can add the phone number by clicking on this option, and you will be asked to verify it, and they will send a code. Then once you enter that code, the phone number will be automatically verified, right? Then you can head back, right? And you will see this two-step verification is turned on now. And also, right, if you want, you can add an extra security layer by turning on this authenticate option, right? You can set up an authenticator for this app. For this option, you can use Google Authenticator likewise, right? It can be easily downloaded via the Google Play Store. And I'm going to show you with another video how you can set up this authenticator app. Until then, this is how you can protect your Google account. Right, okay guys, in the same way, I'm going to show you how you can enable two-step verification on your Facebook page too. I mean, Facebook page pin on your private Facebook account, right? Personal Facebook account. I'm going to head to this Facebook app, right? Then here, just click on this option, your profile section. And you can see you can switch those Facebook page and personal accounts between that. But still, I'm going to use this personal account. Just click on the settings and privacy icon. Just scroll down for a little bit. Just click on the settings icon. Here you will see there's an option called account center. Just hit on that. And here there will be an option called password and security. Click on that. Right, that, okay. Then there's that option called two-factor authentication. Just click on that. Now this has been set up by my brother, right? So in the same way, how you set up your two-step verification in your Google account, you can follow the same steps, right? Now I just wanted to show you how you can enable it, right? In that page you can enable it. Right, okay, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Thank you very much.